Hi, I'm Patricia Saunders. I'm a marriage and family therapist and a parenting educator here at Apple Family Works. We believe that parents set the future, and therefore we're devoted to helping parents develop their skills in working with their children. Let's imagine that you've got a 3-year-old who's throwing a tantrum at the dinner table, or maybe your 5-year-old has started hitting other kids, and suddenly your 9-year-old has decided she's not going to do her homework. I can only imagine how frustrated, concerned, and overwhelmed you might feel. But instead of just hoping that this is a phase that will pass, you get on the phone or you go online and you sign up for our Positive and Peaceful Parenting course. In our fun, interactive classes, you will be given and learn to use the practical tools that will increase your child's level of cooperation, respect, self-esteem, and a sense of responsibility. In just 4 classes, you'll gain the skills and confidence you need to work effectively with your child. Now let's imagine that you and your child's other parent are no longer living together, but you are working hard to try to co-parent your child. Co-parenting can be extremely stressful and is often riddled with miscommunication and conflict. We have an answer for that too. Our child-centered co-parenting class is a lot of fun. There are 7 sessions in which you're going to learn the strategies for improving communication between yourself and the other parent and keeping the child out of the middle. I want to encourage you to explore our website where you're going to find out a lot more about our other parenting services. For example, we have a comprehensive in-home positive parenting support service. We also have new and expectant mom support groups in Spanish and in English. We have a supervised visitation program where parents meet with their children, are given positive parenting skills in a safe, child-centered environment. Our family interactive therapy uses modern technology to help parents work through specific behavioral issues. Our temperament assessment introduces parents to the inborn behavioral traits of their children, allowing them to support their success at school, at home, and at play. And of course, there's our beloved Family Works magazine that you can read in print or online. So as you can see, Apple Family Works really understands the challenges of parenting, and we are here to help you grow great kids.